नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Welcome to Kashyap's Academy. In CBSE class 9, we are looking for the class 10. We are looking for the trigonometry. And in this trigonometry, अभी trigonometry में हम जा रहे हैं अब next concept की तरफ. We are moving towards our next concept. And this concept is called as trigonometric ratios of allied angles actually. But for class 9th and 10, अभी before class 11, we call it as trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Since this is regarding with 90 degree. If the two angles are complementary, what is the relation of their trigonometric ratios? That has been discussed here. अब इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. In this video, in this lecture, we are discussing about the relationship of the two angles which are complementary to each other, and the relationship of the two angles with respect to their trigonometric ratio. उनकी trigonometric ratio के लिए हम इनकी relationship we are going to discuss. Means what? The question is like that, simple. If two angles are complementary, or we can make it a simple way, prove that. We can make it in a simple way. If theta is acute angle, prove that. What to prove? Prove that. Number one, sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Number two, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Number three, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Number four, cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Number five, sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. And number six, cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. ये जो प्रॉब्लम है, the same problem is like this. Tan P is equal to cot R वाला प्रॉब्लम किया था हमने. When we learned about trigonometric ratios, in that particular exercise, we did tan P equal to cot R in triangle PQR, angle Q 90, tan P equal to cot R. ऐसे टाइप का एक प्रॉब्लम हमने किया था. ये वैसी ही है. Now how will you show this? How will you show this? You will take a triangle. Means take triangle ABC, where angle C is theta. You will say in triangle ABC, angle C equal to theta, angle B 90 degree. Theta will be acute itself. Hence, angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. ये आपको शो करना है. What is? अब आपको शो करना है one by one. इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी क्या लिया आपने? एंगल सी को थीटा ले लिया. व्हाट वी टेक एंगल सी इक्वल टू थीटा. एंगल सी को हमने थीटा ले लिया. इन ट्राइंगल एबीसी एंगल सी इज थीटा. ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इक्वल टू 180. बी इज ऑलरेडी 90. क्लियरली एंगल ए इज 90 माइनस थीटा. व्हाट वी नो? क्लियरली एंगल ए इज 90 माइनस थीटा. नाउ आई विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द फर्स्ट. साइन ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा मुझे चेक करना है. Who is 90 minus theta? Angle A. Now how will you take LHS? Sine of 90 minus theta. Now for this triangle, who is sine of 90 minus theta? Sin A. Yes or no? 90 minus theta is A. So we can write it as sin A. What is sin A? What is sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse. What is sine? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So here it will be BC by AC. Here it will be BC by AC. What is sin A? BC by AC. And RHS. RHS is what? Cos theta. Cos theta. Who is theta? C. Cos C. Who is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. C के लिए adjacent कौन है? Who is adjacent to C? BC. So it will be BC upon AC. So the first will be done. Now if I want to do the second one, how will I solve? Second, LHS again cos of 90 minus theta. Now who is 90 minus theta? A again. So cos A. What is cos A? What is cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. A के लिए adjacent कौन है? AB upon AC. So I will write it AB upon AC. यहाँ पे लिखना चाहिए था hence LHS equal to RHS. Hence sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Again here LHS is done. Now RHS who? For the second RHS is sin theta. Who is theta? C. Sin C. What is sin? Opposite upon hypotenuse. AB upon AC. Hence यहाँ पे cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. In this way you can prove the first two results. कुछ नहीं, सिंपल है, रेशियो यूज करना है. सिर्फ जहां पे 90 माइनस थीटा है वहां पे ए लेना है, एंगल ए, एंड वेरेवर देयर इज अ थीटा यू हैव टू टेक द एंगल सी. यस, मैं वीडियो पॉज कीजिए एंड यू कैन टेक राइट डाउन द नोट्स. Let me tell you again, here some students may get confused कि why A is 90 minus theta. Clearly we consider C as a theta. अब समझो ये consider नहीं किया है A 90 minus theta. Now I can write this as angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Hence angle A I will put as it is. B is what? 90 plus C is what? Theta is equal to 180 degree. Hence angle A is equal to 180 minus 90 minus theta. So angle A is 90 minus theta. इस हिसाब से angle A 90 minus theta आता है. Some students may get confused कि ये सब डायरेक्टली किया कैसे. It's okay, no issue. You should have to do it in this way. At the time of examination अगर ये सवाल आता है, आपको इसको डिटेलिंग में सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. Clearly नहीं कर सकते. So in this way you can do it. Okay. Now we will move to the third proof. What is asked in third? Tan of 90 minus theta. What is LHS in third? Tan of 90 minus theta. Who is 90 minus theta? C. So I will write it tan C. Now what is the ratio of tan? What is the ratio of tan? Opposite upon adjacent. अब C के लिए opposite कौन है? Who is C opposite? AB upon adjacent is BC. So for third LHS is AB upon BC. Now we'll see about RHS for third. Cot theta. Who is theta? Oh sorry, who is 90 minus theta? A. Sorry, tan A. 90 minus theta we were discussing about. Tan A. It will be BC upon AB. It will be BC upon AB. Tan A. 90 minus theta is A, not C. So we will take tan A BC upon AB. Now cot theta. It will be cot C. Now for cot, what is the ratio? Adjacent upon opposite. So it will be BC upon AB. Hence, LHS equal to RHS means tan of 90 minus theta will be equal to cot theta. So LHS equal to RHS. Now the fourth one. The fourth one is what? Cot of 90 minus theta as LHS. फोर्थ के लिए LHS कौन है? Cot of 90 minus theta. Who is 90 minus theta? A. So it will be cot A. What is cot? For an angle adjacent upon opposite, it will be AB upon BC. Now RHS in fourth problem will be tan theta. Tan of C. For tan, opposite upon adjacent, AB upon BC. So in this way we can say that cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Yes, you can stop the video and you can write down this one. And dear students, once you're done with these two, for sake of 90 minus theta, I will just tell you the oral things. You have to do it on your own and check it in the reference book or the assignment itself. Now for sake of 90 minus theta, you will take sec A. And sec A will be AB by AC. Sec A will be AB by AC. Or AC by AB, sorry. Hypotenuse upon adjacent, not AB by AC. Sec will be hypotenuse upon adjacent, AC by AB. And cosec theta, it will be hypotenuse upon opposite, AC by AB. In this way, you can prove the fifth and sixth one. Yes. So take a look of this. Do this. In the next video, we are going to see about the problems regarding complementary angle. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉब्लम्स है और इसका यूज आने वाला है 11th के ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में. सो फॉर दैट अब बहुत सिंपल है, आपको सिर्फ वो दिखने को बड़ा लगेगा, बट यू कैन मेक अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स इन दैट. इसके 2 या 3 मार्क के, समटाइम्स 1 मार्क एमसीक्यूज will be there, so it will be very beneficial for you. Stay tuned. In the next video we will be looking for the problems. अब ये जो 5th and 6th है ये आपको खुद से करना है. जस्ट वीडियो को पॉज कीजिए और ये वाला थ्योरम प्रूफ लिख के लीजिए. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.